Hi folks, Brandon Levi from Evolution Muay Thai. Today I've got Raquel Harris here. She's going to help me demonstrate an underhook trap kick catch. Okay, so basically first up, this is my shield. She's kicking me with the right leg. My left arm, elbow in, hand on the temple, shoulder up. This is my shield, so I'm going to let the kick land here. My other hand is going to come underneath and trap the leg. Watch this. Boom. Okay, now I've got the leg, I need to get it on the other side of my body, but my body is in the way. So I'm going to hollow out, pull the leg through, and now I can take it down. Okay, we can also do that for the other kick. The other kick's actually easier. Watch this. She throws the left kick up there, boom, underhook trap, hollow it through, boom, down she goes. Okay, very, very easy to do that one. You just got to make sure that you keep one elbow in really tight. You don't want this arm coming out here. You get kicked in the arm there, you can break your arm. So you want to keep that fairly tight and make sure this hand comes underneath. Okay? All right, I hope that helped.